Happy start of the school year, everybody. My name is Ken Luther. I am a retired professor of mathematics living here in Indiana. Just enjoyed my first summer of full early retirement. And now that the school year is kicking back in, I decided to keep myself busy by basically doing what I had been doing, although hopefully on a broader and more flexible scale. So I'm putting on this hat by which I'm calling my gig Metal Professor's Math Coaching. And one of the things I intend to do is produce content in a way that I can frame what I will call ghost classes. My favorite things to teach were Calculus 1, 2, and 3. Being that it's the start of the year, I have a pretty good idea of what topics most people taking those classes will be facing in any somewhat specific period of time. And I'm going to do some problem solving and some topical coverage to hopefully parallel what a lot of people are going through. If you like what's happening here and you're keeping up with it, then let me know what topics are coming up for you, and I will certainly try to work them in. I'm probably going to produce things about 3 times a week, kind of like 3-day-a-week class meetings, right? And I may have videos that are just separate Calc 1, Calc 2, Calc 3. I may combine them sometimes and do a little bit of a problem from each semester all at once, which is good for people to either get review from before or take a glimpse at what's coming up ahead. So I guess the first thing I should do for this introductory video is just tell you who the heck I am. Like I said, I'm a retired math professor from Valparaiso University. I was department chair for 8 years. Oh my God. I was there for over 20 years altogether, and I taught pretty much everything the department had to offer other than combinatorics, statistics, and abstract algebra. I never touched those, but calculus, differential equations, partial differential equations, linear algebra, real analysis, pre-calc, all that stuff. I have experience in all of them. I think I was pretty good at it. I had several teaching award nominations at the university. I actually won a couple of teaching awards, one given by the state section of the National Math Organization, the Mathematical Association of America. And right in the year before I was offered early retirement, I was the winner of the Valparaiso University Excellence in Teaching Award, which came from student and faculty nominations. And I wrote books. Like I said, my favorite topics to swim in were calculus. And so I've produced a 3-volume set that has lots of complete solutions in it, plus hopefully enjoyable conversationally toned discussion of the content. I'm not here to try to sell that to you. I am just, setting the stage about why the heck you should listen to me about any of this. So that's who I am. This is my first video for this series. I'm going to label them MPMC, Metal Professor's Math Coaching. I'm just making this introductory video to sort of put my foot in the door, and I'm going to follow it with a video just talking about some of the basics that you ought to remember no matter what class you're taking, because it will come in handy. So thanks for watching at least this much. Look for MPMC 1 here on the Metal Professor YouTube channel. Okay, why Metal Professor? I've also done a heavy metal radio show for decades in various locations. I've been doing one here in my town for 10 years at least, on and off. And on the air, I call myself Ken the Metal Professor. So why ruin that? Let's just keep it going. So Metal Professor's Math Coaching. Drop me an email at metalprofessor@gmail.com if you kind of like this idea and you have any particular topics coming up in your calculus class, or maybe even linear algebra. I could sneak one of those in there. Pre-calculus too. It's all good. Anything in that sort of calculus zone before, during, and immediately after that you would like to see some discussion or some problem solvings for, let me know, and I'll see what I can do.